Chapter 2, Tax Research Methodology. We continue to work with Checkpoint. Be sure to use this database on a regular basis. For this PowerPoint slide, we will discuss how online tax resources affect the conduct of our tax research. The tax research process requires the mechanical skills and critical thinking. As we focus on step 3, students must be able to recognize primary authorities and know when to use secondary authorities. The conclusion should be based on the strongest primary authority. IRS publications are not primary authorities. You find all of this in the Checkpoint, so get in the habit of researching with Checkpoint. Step 4, as we evaluate the authorities, use the editorial features. Checkpoint has the annotated tax service. Use these to help find the primary sources of tax law and to help with the analysis. These editorial features are not primary sources and should not be used to support a conclusion. These editorial features will lead you to the citations for the primary sources and help you understand those. This looks familiar, the steps in the online research process. Again, the database that we use for this course is the Professional Checkpoint. The practice involves finding those key words. The more we work with the concepts, the easier this will become, but at the start it is a bit time consuming, but all of the work will pay off. It needs practice. As we search for the key words and we try to find the hits that we need, keep a notepad or learn these connectors. It helps you as you do the research, and it helps you to narrow in on the hits that will support your conclusion. IRS website, go to that. There are many good resources, especially the forms and some of the updates, but do not use this for your research. Use the Checkpoint. Some practical consideration. Of course, we have the time cost. We have to bill the client for our time, so we want to be as efficient as we can. We also want to be thorough. We are performing the research. We are the professional, so we have to make sure that our conclusion is supported by primary sources. And never forget our ethics. We have an obligation to the client, but that obligation is to follow all the rules we learned in Chapter 1 and to arrive at a tenable conclusion based on primary sources of tax law. If those don't exist, then we have to use other sources, but strive to find the highest source to support your conclusion. The research on the CPA exam. Skills required: knowledge and understanding, application of the knowledge, and we're back to the communication. Research is incorporated, so all the work that you do in this course, all the dead ends, all the time it takes to get comfortable with the researching and with the writing will pay off on the exam and in practice.